I can't move. What am I gonna do? Tomorrow is final again. Tomorrow is final again.
Easy, Larry.
You don't even remember my name. I don't have any. Get out.
Fred.
Get out. I hate you.
I love you.
Get out. I love you. I love you. I don't even know my name. I hate you.
I love you, Sonic. I love you, Mario. Why are your arms backward?
And then you're gonna have to be stupid and bring my balls. Hey.
Jason.
What? What's going on?
Jason.
Hey, wanna go to the
Easy.
Mickey Mart?
Jason. What?
The Mickey Mart, remember? Where are you going? You're my only friend. Come back. Where'd she go? Come back. You're my only friend. Everyone just called me Jason. The wrong boy. I really care. Come back. Please, come back. I care about you, Matt. Hi. Come in, man. I want to hang out. Why? No, stop. Please. What are you doing? I hate you. I hate you. Why never so mean to me? Why are you guys so mean to me?
Jason. Sorry to hit you with the vacuum.
Please. I have a hug. Please. Why are you running? I just want a hug, please. Hey, Mr. Cameraman, can I have a hug? Who's in the shower? Who's in the shower? Who is here? Can we play? Can you play with me? Can you play with me? Oh, you want to be my friend? I made a friend. I made a friend. I made a friend. I made a friend. I just want a friend. Is anyone home? He's a friend. What is it? Be my friend. What?